Wood hangers. The inspiration for today's video is my brand new collection of sexy ass wood hangers. Yeah, for those of you who are like, yo Alpha, finally, you ditched the plastic. I did. And quite frankly, I wish I bought these a lot sooner because they make a huge difference and they're also just so much more like mature and just better. Here's the deal, gentlemen. Today, what I want to actually do is go over some items that I personally wish I bought sooner. Number 2, right here, a custom suit. Or I should say, a semi-custom suit, all right? When I went to Suit Supply for the first time, it was like my eyes were open. Up until this point, I went to the normal places, right? Like Macy's, Joseph A. Banks, Men's Warehouse. I'd get a suit, it was crap quality, and then I went and actually upgraded to Suit Supply. And then I went one step further and actually had a custom suit made for me. And that was a whole different experience. But even if you're not gonna spend the money on like a custom suit, when you buy a suit and have it tailored properly for your body, it is like night and day in terms of suits. It feels better, it fits better, and it looks amazing. Number 3 is a custom white dress shirt. Guys, when you go custom with a shirt, like a white dress shirt, once again, it makes all the difference in the world. Going into a store and buying off the rack, you know, can get you by, but once you invest a little bit more money in a higher quality item that was actually tailored for your body, it makes a huge difference. Number 4 is my urinal. Yes, I actually have a urinal in my new house. Now, you're like, yo, Alpha, you're flexing. You're flexing your urinal? Yes, I am. Because here's the deal. I built my dream house. Someday you are going to build your dream house. And you're going to be like, man, should I do something crazy like a urinal? Is that really a thing? I am here to tell you that I cannot express the amount of amazing joy and satisfaction I get from a freaking urinal. All right? Because now I don't have to wake up in the middle of the night, stumble around and like try and aim. I just walk up to it and boom, I'm letting her rip. I'm not dribbling on the floor. I'm not getting shit from my wife. It is amazing. Next time you build a house, or if you build a house, or when you build a house, you need a urinal. I'm telling you. Sauna. Gentlemen, I wish I bought a sauna sooner. As you guys know or don't know, I built a dream house. And when I was designing it, there were a few things I wanted. I wanted a super big badass gym and I wanted a sauna. I love saunas, right? And so this one, the brand is Finleo. You plug it into the wall. It's a real sauna. It's not an infrared sauna, so it gets up to about like 200 degrees. And I have absolutely loved being able to just pop this bad boy on, come down, and get a good sweat. So I drink a ton of water, over a gallon a day. And one of the things that I wish I bought sooner was a whole house water filtration system, all right? This whole system was literally like under $1,000. It's from the brand Aquasana, and you can retrofit it to an existing house. And in my opinion, it makes a huge difference. When I did this on my old house, it was absolutely disgusting when I changed the filters for the first time. The amount of crap and shit that's in your drinking water is ridiculous. And if you're somebody like me that drinks a lot of water, or you want to shower in higher quality water, because this thing does the whole entire house, I would definitely recommend investing in some type of water filtration system for your house. Can we talk about guns without getting demonetized? I don't know if we can, but I'm gonna talk about them in a second. In terms of systems for your home, I would also recommend doing some type of security system, something you can monitor through your phone. It's something that just gives me peace of mind, and it's also something that I would highly recommend you do before something bad happens, like you get robbed or something like that. And so definitely invest now in that. Something else you should invest in is some type of fraud protection or credit monitoring. You know, the fact that we all are doing so much, online everything, if you don't have something that is actually monitoring and scanning the dark web for your personal information like all the time, you're an idiot, honestly. Or I should say, I was an idiot, and I learned that the hard way. I wish I had Aura, today's video sponsor, back before my bank accounts actually got hacked into. Because if I had, I would have known that there was a breach. Guys, whether or not you realize it or not, there are breaches to bank accounts and banks all the time. And unfortunately, typically, before you know about it, it takes on average like 277 days for that breach to actually be reported. It happens all the time. time. All these scam artists are out there trying to access your account using your information that's out there on the dark web. You've gotta be protected. I've got a special link down below this video, guys. Go sign up for a free 14-day trial to Aura. If you go through my link, aura.com/alpha-m, you're gonna get a 14-day free trial so that you can actually sign up and know to see what's out there. How much of your information is out there on the dark web. If you go through my special link, guys, down below, aura.com/alpha-m, you can get a 14-day free trial. It's enough time to figure out or find out if your information is out there and you have actually been compromised. And then the other really cool thing, and the reason why I love Aura so much, it basically is like everything to keep you safe online, all in one app. You've got a VPN, it comes with the service. You also have credit monitoring, you've got fraud protection, you've got a $5 million like insurance policy in case like the worst case scenario happens. Aura's got your back. If you don't have this service in today's world, literally, you're an idiot and you are just waiting for something bad to happen. Hit that link down below, go to aura.com/alpha-m, sign up, you're gonna get a 14-day free trial. If you go through my special link, it's enough time for you to then see what's going on, but then you're gonna wanna keep them like I did because it gives me peace of mind. It's kind of like a security camera and system for your house. You don't wanna wait until you were robbed to install it, right? You wanna do it beforehand. Guys, do not wait. Now is the time. That link down below, Aura is the company that I use. I love them. They have saved me, my ass, and my money multiple times. Bed. The next thing I wish I bought sooner is a proper mattress. You're looking at a boy that rocked a futon for literally like 10 years after college. All right, and then after that, I moved in with my wife and she's like, oh, we need a super soft mattress. And so we went to like Rooms to Go and got some like super like 18-inch pillow top. And for like 5 years, I had back issues, I had muscle spasms. And then I'm like, wait a second. I need a better mattress. And so I invested in a higher quality mattress. And ever since then, I'm like sleeping like a baby. My body feels amazing and things have gotten better. Upgrade. Also, bedding. I personally feel like nice bedding is something that every adult dude should invest in. You know, whether or not it's the sheets, it's the duvet, it's the pillows. Accent pillows are a thing, gentlemen, I'm telling you. You want to increase the amount of action you're getting? Accent pillows definitely does. Next thing that I wish I bought sooner, but I guess I really couldn't have bought sooner, but I wish I had, was actually a Rolex watch. And for those of you who are like, yo, stop flexing, just listen and hear me out. One of the things that happens when you actually wear a proper, or I should say a luxury timepiece, not only when you look down do you feel better about yourself, it also, I don't know, it's almost like this like weird like club, like you're in the club. And so if you are somebody that's like an entrepreneur, you're a business person, or you're in sales, or you're just trying to work your way up, when you walk into a room and you've got a nice watch on your wrist, it's like you automatically gain respect from other people. And even if they don't notice, you feel like you belong. It was something weird psychologically that happened when I got my Rolex Milgauss. It was like $6,000. I saved up for it. And honestly, it was something that I absolutely loved. My bike, my beautiful, beautiful beat to hell Electra 1-speed bike. This thing was something that I bought when I moved to my little town, Marietta, and this has been one of the best things I've ever bought in my life. I love my bike so much, it's ridiculous. If you don't own one, I would highly recommend considering getting one. It's great to be outside in the fresh air, it's amazing. Something else that I wish I bought sooner is actually my Glock. And this simply is it's something that I enjoy doing. I didn't realize that I enjoyed like going and shooting, and I just feel better and safer knowing how to actually safely and properly use something like that. And so I wish I bought it sooner. I wish I learned about it sooner. I wish I was taken, to the range by my dad when I was younger. Unfortunately, my dad and the people, that I grew up with were very like anti like guns, stuff like that. And I'm not saying like I think everybody should have like 10 of them, but personally, I sleep better at night knowing that I do have a way to defend myself if somebody does like break in. If you can't tell, like security is one of the things that I am passionate about because you know, it's one of those things where you want to be safe and not think that, oh, everybody's got my best interest in mind. Fortunately, there are a lot of scumbags out there that would like to do you harm, and with all the crazy shit that's happening in the world, like, I want to be protected. I don't want to be that guy that's like, somebody breaks in and I have no way to defend myself or my wife or my cats. And the last thing I wish I bought sooner was Bitcoin. I'm kidding. I don't actually own any cryptocurrency, but you know, hindsight's 2020. But what I do wish I could go back and buy sooner was stock market and the market. And what I mean by that is investing. I am somebody that was late to the game when it came to investing. I was always scared to invest. Now, granted, I never made like a lot of money, but you know, I should have started squirreling away, like even if it was just a little bit earlier on. I wish I could go back to when I was in my teens or 20s and start investing then. If I had, my God, like I'd be in such a better financial position now. And I guess the last thing I just want to mention is real estate. I wish I bought real estate sooner. Because as you've seen over the years, you know, appreciation, everything started to grow and get crazy. And I wish I had taken a more active role in buying more assets. I love real estate. I love real estate investing. And looking back at some of the opportunities that I've passed on or I didn't take advantage of, I regret. I'm like, oh my gosh, right? But that's part of life. You can't go back, unfortunately. You can only look forward. You can only move forward. But what about you? What is something that you have bought that you wish you bought sooner because of how great it is, how much satisfaction you have out of it, or now that you own it, you're like, my God, how did I ever live without it? Guys, down below, let me know. And if you dug this video, why don't you drop me one of those?